Beneath miles of ice and snow, where temperatures plummet to unimaginable lows, lies a world the human eye has barely seen. A continent of secrets, a land untouched, or perhaps deliberately hidden. From unidentifiable structures to strange anomalies beneath the ice, Antarctica is not just the end of the Earth. It might be the key to a truth we were never meant to uncover. Tonight, we journey into the 15 most mysterious discoveries that could rewrite history and challenge everything we thought we knew about our planet. Are you ready to see what lies beneath the ice? Antarctica, an endless expanse of white, a silent desert of ice. For centuries, explorers risked their lives to chart its frozen plains. Yet the deeper we dig, the stranger it becomes. Satellites reveal geometric formations that defy natural explanation, ancient relics that suggest a history lost to time, and even unexplained lights dancing beneath the polar nights. Scientists and adventurers alike have encountered phenomena that science struggles to explain, leaving behind questions that grow more chilling with every discovery. In this frozen wasteland, the line between myth and reality blurs, and the unknown reigns supreme. Before we uncover the hidden secrets buried beneath Antarctica, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss the shocking mysteries we reveal next. Antarctica is a place of paradox. On the surface, it is silent and lifeless, a frozen wasteland stretching endlessly across the horizon. But beneath its icy facade, this continent holds secrets so strange they defy logic. The first category of mysteries we must confront are the frozen anomalies, bizarre formations, structures, and phenomena that seem to whisper of a hidden world buried deep within the ice. It begins with the satellite anomalies. For decades, high-resolution images of Antarctica have revealed patterns that appear anything but natural. Perfectly straight lines, circular depressions stretching for miles, and even structures that resemble pyramids rise through the ice like silent sentinels. In the Queen Maud Land region, 3 pyramid-like shapes stand out with uncanny precision. Their angles are so sharp, their symmetry so exact, that skeptics struggle to dismiss them as simple mountains. Could these pyramids be natural coincidences sculpted by wind and snow, or evidence of something deliberately constructed, perhaps tens of thousands of years ago? The implications are staggering. If these structures are artificial, they suggest an ancient civilization existed in Antarctica long before recorded history, or perhaps something not entirely human. Then there are the mystery holes, giant craters that appear suddenly in the ice, some more than 3 kilometers wide. These yawning chasms are not small fractures or surface cracks. They are enormous voids, appearing as if the ice has collapsed into something hidden below. Some scientists suggest they are the result of geothermal heat or meteorite impacts. Yet others question whether they are in fact entrances, portals into caverns that stretch far beneath the frozen surface. Eyewitnesses from aerial expeditions describe these craters as unnervingly symmetrical, almost engineered. And the timing of their appearance often coincides with reports of unusual activity in the region, strange lights, aircraft malfunctions, and sudden weather disturbances. But the strangest anomalies are not visible to the naked eye. They are hidden deep beneath the ice, detectable only with ground-penetrating radar. In several locations, scientists have uncovered geometric formations buried miles under the surface. Some appear to be vast, rectangular grids. Others resemble sprawling complexes, with chambers and corridors that look astonishingly like the blueprint of a city. Official reports classify these as subglacial anomalies, offering little explanation. But those who have seen the radar scans firsthand describe structures that are impossible to dismiss as natural. If they truly exist, they could represent one of the greatest archaeological discoveries in history, a civilization preserved in ice, untouched for tens of thousands of years. Adding to the mystery are reports of strange lights dancing across the Antarctic skies. While auroras are common in the polar regions, these lights behave differently. Some move erratically, darting across the horizon like intelligent objects. Others form beams that seem to pierce the atmosphere, illuminating specific areas of the ice. On more than one occasion, researchers stationed in Antarctica have reported glowing orbs hovering silently above the snow, vanishing without a trace. Official explanations often cite optical illusions or rare atmospheric conditions, but the consistency of these accounts suggests otherwise. Are these natural events, experimental technologies, or perhaps something far more mysterious? The anomalies extend even further into the microscopic world. When scientists drill deep into the ice to extract cores, they sometimes uncover materials that should not exist. Tiny metallic spheres, rare isotopes, and chemical traces that do not match anything known on Earth. Some are older than human civilization itself, suggesting a source of intelligence or technology far beyond our understanding. Could these fragments be evidence of ancient visitors, or are they remnant of a lost chapter in Earth's own history, an advanced culture buried and forgotten? The cumulative effect of these anomalies paints a chilling picture. Antarctica is not merely a frozen wasteland. It is a continent alive with secrets. Pyramids that rise through the snow. Craters that open into unfathomable voids. Structures buried beneath the ice that resemble cities. Unexplained lights, strange isotopes, and materials that science struggles to classify. Each anomaly alone could be dismissed as coincidence. But together, they weave a pattern too deliberate, too consistent to ignore. And yet, the mysteries do not end here. Antarctica is fiercely protected, governed by the Antarctic Treaty, which restricts access to many of its most intriguing regions. Researchers often find themselves blocked from investigating areas where anomalies are reported. Flights are rerouted, expeditions cancelled, and findings redacted. Why, in the name of science, is access to this frozen continent so carefully controlled? Is it simply to preserve the environment, or is it to guard secrets too powerful for the world to know? The frozen anomalies of Antarctica force us to question everything we thought we understood about our planet. They defy explanation, challenge logic, and hint at forces far older and far greater than human civilization. Beneath the endless snow lies a puzzle humanity has only begun to piece together. But one thing is certain, Antarctica is not the barren wasteland we once believed. It is a vault of mysteries, a frozen archive holding the answers to questions we dare not ask. And as we move deeper into this investigation, the anomalies only grow stranger, the secrets more dangerous. For the ice does not just preserve the past, it may also be guarding something meant to remain hidden. If Antarctica's frozen anomalies leave us questioning the natural world, then its ancient artifacts and signs of lost civilization strike at the very heart of human history. For centuries, the icy continent has been considered inhospitable, too cold, too desolate, too lifeless to have ever supported human culture. But as the ice yields secrets layer by layer, evidence emerges that this frozen land may once have been far different than we ever imagined. Deep beneath the glacier, fossilized remains of forests, plants, and pollen have been discovered. Millions of years ago, Antarctica was not a barren wasteland but a lush, green continent. Towering trees grew where now only ice stretches. Rivers flowed across landscapes teeming with life. Scientists believe Antarctica once sat in a warmer climate zone before drifting to its current polar position. But the fossilized forests and traces of vegetation hint at something more, an environment not only capable of supporting life, but also advanced civilizations. Could it be that ancient humans, or perhaps other intelligent beings, once thrived here, only to be buried by shifting ice ages? Legends passed down through generations tell of a lost land known as Thule or Hyperborea, a mysterious realm located in the far north or south of the world. Described as a paradise of knowledge and prosperity, these lands supposedly vanished under cataclysmic conditions, erased from maps but not from memory. Some theorists believe these myths are not pure fantasy, but distorted memories of Antarctica in a time before it froze over. If so, then the continent may hold the ruins of an advanced society, preserved beneath the ice for tens of thousands of years. Modern discoveries fuel these speculations. In 2012, a satellite image circulated online showing what appeared to be a vast, man-made entrance carved into a mountain of Antarctic ice. Measuring over 100 meters across, it resembled a tunnel or hangar, far too symmetrical to be explained away as erosion. Official explanations insisted it was a natural cave, but to many, it seemed like the hidden entrance to something ancient and deliberately concealed. Was this a gateway into subglacial chambers where artifacts of the past might still be stored? Further intrigue came from the drilling of Lake Vostok, a subglacial body of water sealed off from the surface of millions of years. When scientists penetrated the ice, they uncovered strange microbial life forms that seemed unlike anything known on Earth. But reports also surfaced of metallic fragments, bizarre samples, and even objects resembling machinery buried in the surrounding sediment. Official statements downplayed these claims, categorizing them as geological anomalies. Yet whispers from those involved hinted at something far stranger, evidence that human-like activity had once occurred here. Then there are the fossilized bones. In 1982, researchers uncovered the remains of large amphibians and even dinosaurs that once roamed the Antarctic landscape. But more recently, rumors surfaced of human-like skeletal remains found in layers of ice dating back tens of thousands of years. If true, this would suggest that human beings, or some other intelligent species, existed on Antarctica long before our accepted history begins. Could these remains be survivors of a lost culture wiped out by a sudden shift in climate, or perhaps victims of an ancient catastrophe that froze the continent into silence? Conspiracy theorists often point to secret expeditions undertaken during the 20th century as further evidence of Antarctica's hidden past. One of the most infamous is Operation High Jump, a massive U.S. military expedition led by Admiral Richard E. Byrd in 1946. Officially, it was a training exercise in extreme conditions. Unofficially, Byrd is said to have reported seeing craft that could fly from pole to pole at incredible speeds, and even stumbled upon vast underground bases beneath the ice. While historians dismiss these accounts as exaggerations or misinterpretations, the story has fueled speculation that Antarctica may hide technologies left behind by an advanced civilization, or perhaps even extraterrestrial visitors. The artifacts and structures suggested by radar imagery only deepen the mystery. In certain regions, ground-penetrating scans reveal shapes that appear almost architectural. Straight lines, symmetrical walls, and domed ceilings that defy natural explanation. Some researchers claim these could be the ruins of ancient temples, storage vaults, or even entire cities. Imagine walking through ice tunnels only to find a stone chamber, untouched by time, filled with relics of a civilization that has been erased from human memory. Such discoveries could rewrite the very history of mankind. Even mainstream scientists admit that Antarctica may hold secrets of ancient life, though they stop short of acknowledging advanced civilizations. Yet the consistency of myths, the anomalies revealed by radar, and the strange artifact that occasionally surface all point toward a reality far stranger than what is written in history books. If civilizations once flourished here, they may have been among the most advanced on Earth, capable of engineering structures that could endure under ice for thousands of years. And if that's true, then the greatest mystery is not whether they existed, but what happened to them. Did a catastrophic event force their disappearance? Did they flee to other parts of the world, seeding knowledge that became the foundation for Egypt, Mesopotamia, or the Mayan world? Or are their descendants still hidden beneath the ice, guarding secrets humanity is not yet ready to discover? The possibility of lost civilizations in Antarctica challenges not only science, but our very sense of identity. It forces us to ask unsettling questions. What if humanity's story is far older than we believe? What if advanced cultures rose and fell long before the dawn of recorded history? And what if Antarctica holds the evidence that proves it all? As the ice continues to melt under the strain of a changing climate, new areas of the continent are revealed. With each thaw, the chance of uncovering undeniable proof grows greater. But perhaps that is a true danger. For if Antarctica truly is a vault of lost civilizations, the knowledge it holds may not just alter history, it may change the future. The mysteries of Antarctica are not confined to ancient ruins or the distant past. Even today, in the age of satellites and advanced science, this frozen continent continues to baffle researchers with modern anomalies that science cannot easily explain. If anything, the closer we look, the stranger it becomes. Antarctica is not just a land of ice. It is a living enigma, a place where technology falters, natural laws bend, and secrets seem deliberately veiled from human eyes. Let us begin with the subglacial anomalies, vast structures and voids discovered by modern technology. Using deep-penetrating radar and seismic scanning, scientists have mapped parts of Antarctica that were once inaccessible. What they found is astonishing. Beneath the miles of ice lie massive cavities, some the size of entire cities. One cavity beneath the Thwaites Glacier is so large it could hold 14 billion tons of ice, yet it remains empty. Why? What melted it? Natural geothermal activity is one explanation, but the perfect geometry and depth of some of these anomalies suggests more than natural heat at work. The idea that these voids could be vast underground chambers, either geological or artificial, cannot be ignored. And with every new scan, the possibility grows that Antarctica conceals something far more complex than frozen rock and ice. Then there are the mysterious craters and sinkholes. In recent years, satellite images have revealed sudden, massive openings in the ice. Some stretch for kilometers, yawning black pits in the otherwise unbroken white expanse. Scientists suggest that warmer ocean currents may be melting ice from below, creating collapses. But the precision of certain formations raises questions. Why do some of these holes resemble perfect circles? Why do others appear in regions far removed from known volcanic or thermal activity? Could these craters be entrances, collapsed roofs of subglacial caverns, or even portals into hidden networks beneath the continent? Even more perplexing are the strange signals and electromagnetic disturbances that plague researchers. Modern expeditions rely heavily on instruments, GPS, radio communication, magnetic compasses. Yet in certain regions of Antarctica, these devices fail without warning. Compasses spin erratically. GPS coordinates drift by miles. Radio signals vanish, swallowed by the frozen silence. On several occasions, entire research stations have reported low-frequency humming sounds, strange vibrations that seem to emanate from beneath the ice. Some scientists suggest these could be caused by shifting glacier or resonance from wind. Others are not so sure. Could these mysterious signals be evidence of something mechanical operating beneath the continent? Or perhaps even a natural phenomenon that defies our current understanding of physics? Reports from pilots flying near the poles add yet another layer of intrigue. Some describe instruments going haywire as they pass over certain coordinates. Others claim to have seen shimmering distortions in the air, as if the sky itself were bending. A few accounts, whispered but never officially confirmed, speak of entire stretches of land that do not appear on maps, hidden valleys and plateaus shielded from satellites, as if deliberately concealed. Whether these are illusions, restricted zones, or something far stranger, the effect is undeniable. Antarctica resists full comprehension. One of the most confounding discoveries of recent years involves unexpected heat sources beneath the ice. Using satellite sensors, scientists have detected intense geothermal activity in areas where no volcanoes or hot springs should exist. In some regions, the ice is melting from below at alarming rates, forming vast subglacial lakes that remain liquid despite the crushing cold above. Lake Vostok, sealed under more than 2 miles of ice for millions of years, is one such mystery. Within its depths lies a complete ecosystem, untouched since prehistoric times. But what else could be hidden in these dark waters? What if Lake Vostok is not unique, but one of many reservoirs of secrets locked beneath the ice? Some of the most unsettling reports come not from instruments, but from the eyes of the few who venture here. Researchers have described strange lights hovering over the ice fields, white orbs that move with intention, zigzagging across the night sky before vanishing into the horizon. Others claim to have seen glowing objects beneath the ice itself, moving slowly as if alive. The official explanations cite unusual atmospheric reflections or ice refraction. Yet the persistence of these reports, combined with photographic evidence, suggests something beyond illusion. Antarctica also plays host to political secrecy that only deepens the suspicion. The Antarctic Treaty, signed by dozens of nations, strictly limits human activity on the continent. No country can claim it, no military bases are allowed, and access to certain regions is restricted. While the treaty is presented as a safeguard for science and environmental preservation, many question its true purpose. Why are some areas off-limits, guarded so tightly that even researchers cannot enter? Why are flights often rerouted? And why do expeditions so frequently end in silence when anomalies are discovered? Could it be that governments know more about Antarctica than they admit? That something lies beneath the ice too extraordinary, or too dangerous, to be revealed? And finally, there is a looming question of the future. Climate change is rapidly melting Antarctica's ice sheets, revealing landscapes unseen for millions of years. As glaciers retreat, ancient valleys, mountains, and even potential ruins are exposed. Each melt uncovers something new: strange rock formations, mysterious structures, and unexplained objects that ignite speculation. If this continues, the next century may force Antarctica's secrets into the open. But will humanity be ready for what is revealed? The modern mysteries of Antarctica remind us that the unknown is not confined to history books or ancient myths. It lives among us today, in the very instruments we use to measure our world, in the satellites that capture shapes we cannot explain, in the lights that dance where no one should see them. Antarctica is not just a frozen desert. It is a frontier of knowledge, a place where science and myth collide, where truth hides beneath miles of ice. And perhaps the greatest mystery of all is this: are we discovering Antarctica's secrets, or is Antarctica slowly choosing to reveal them? As the wind howls across the ice and the darkness swallows the horizon, one thing becomes chillingly clear. Antarctica has only begun to reveal its secrets, and what lies beneath may change everything we thought we knew about our world. Are we truly ready for what comes next?